fun doing it, you don't really love it, you're going to give up. And that's what happens to most people, actually. If you really look at the ones that ended up, being successful in the eyes of society, and the ones that didn't, oftentimes it's the ones that are successful loved what they did so they could persevere when it got really tough.
I'm not saying I'm going to rule the world or I'm going to change the world, but I guarantee that I will spark the brain that will change the world.
Wake up, let me see what y'all done did. Let me see life in what shape it's in. Let me see it turned upside down like they did in Ferguson. Let me show y'all something that Eamon did. What's life to you? It means nothing, you'll keep stunting. Walk up in the hood with the beef and proceed to bust, and your family suffering. You don't give a fuck, you dead and gone like humanity. What's the definition of insanity? Forget your foes, keep your eyes on your family. They'll hurt you more than that hood beef, but rest in peace. Why's life got to be a tragedy? Okay, so mix up. It's that 13th order, ride till I die. Okay, it's 13 till I die, ho. Your girl mixed up, kaleidoscope, and all I spit is fire. You can call me Mr. Pyro. Burn, baby, burn, let me see you do that ASAP. My mind is full of demons, and not my mouth spills cranach. Y'all's a bunch of addicts, bunch of faggots, pistol grabbing, pistol popping. Y'all ain't bout it, I can tell by how y'all walking. Please don't try me up, you will never prove it, cause we will leave you dead and then your family in the ruins. I ain't playing, I swear to God. And you can talk the talk but can't walk the walk. And don't act like this just happened, cause you banned for law. I ain't claiming to be the man now, but that's what your girl is calling me. So dope on this beat, that's nothing to me. I been had hoes like Kenny G. Oh.